Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope that all of you are doing fine at home. So, have you started reading your books yet? No? You should start by now, okay? Alright, so for today, we are still learning about Unit 1 of our textbook, Reading a Window to the World. Okay, can I ask you a question? How well do you know your book? Adakah kamu betul-betul kenal dengan buku yang kamu baca? Okay, so for today, we are going to look at the parts of books. Bahagian-bahagian yang ada pada buku. So, are you ready? Okay, so I have chosen one of my favorite genre of book, which is horror and mystery. Okay, so are you ready to start? Alright, so now let's look at the first part of your book. So this is what we call a book cover. So we have front cover and back cover. Now let's look at what we have on the front cover here. Okay, first of all, of course, you can see the big one here is the title of the book. So what is title of the book? Title means the name of the book. Okay, title adalah nama buku ataupun tajuk. Okay, tajuk buku yang awak akan baca. Okay, for example here, okay, before that, title is the name of the book. It gives you the main idea of what the book is about. Okay, so for example here, I have The Lives of Christopher Chant. This is the title of this book. Okay, next, you can see on top here is the name of the author. Okay, so author. What is author? Author is the person who writes this book. I mean the person who writes the story in this book. Okay, so here the name of the author of this book is Diana Wynne Jones. Okay, so that is the name of the author. Okay, what else can you see here? Of course, the picture is very interesting, right? Now, let's look at what we have inside the book. Okay, I want to show you here on this page. Okay, as you can see here, this is, okay, it is written here, illustrated by. Okay, illustrated by Tim Stevens. Okay, so illustrated means, so Tim Stevens is the illustrator of this book. Illustrator means, okay, the artist who draws the picture in the book. Okay, illustrator ni maksudnya pelukis yang melukis gambar-gambar dalam buku ni. For example, this picture, and then you can see inside there. So this is what we call illustration, gambar, and the one who draws this, okay, yang lukis ni, we call it illustrator. So illustrator of this book is Tim Stevens. Okay, next, you can also see at the bottom here is the publisher of the book. Wait, what is publisher? Okay, don't worry. I'll tell you what is publisher. Okay, publisher is a person or a company, okay, seseorang ataupun satu syarikat that prepares this book for sale. Yang buat buku ni, yang menyediakan buku ni ataupun yang print, yang sediakan buku ni for sale, untuk dijual. Okay, so you can also see here the year of publishing. Okay, tahun bila buku ini dipublishkan, diterbitkan. Okay, like here this one I found 2008. Okay, year 2008. Alright, and then you can see, okay, this is what we call pages. Okay, muka surat. Then you will read, you can read, and then you can see the page number bottom. Right, now let's go to the next part, which is the back cover. Okay, muka surat belakang buku ni, back cover. Okay, usually at the back cover you can find a blurb or a synopsis of the story. So what is a blurb or synopsis? Apa dia blurb dengan synopsis tu? Okay, if you find in the dictionary the word blurb and synopsis, they give the same meaning. Okay, maksud yang sama sahaja, blurb or synopsis. So blurb or synopsis is a short description about the book. Okay, it tells the reader about what a short description or a brief description about what the content of the book is about. Okay, ataupun yang senang dalam bahasa Melayu pun kita sebut sinopsis juga. Okay, so the function of blurb or synopsis is if you are interested, okay, you are interested to read the story and you want to know what the story is about, then you read from here. Okay, here you can also see a quote. Okay, ada quote sikit. Quote ni adalah sedikit petikan dari yang menarik from the story. Okay, for example here, stay where you are, said the goddess, or I'll call down fire to blast you. Okay, bila when you read this quote rasa macam macam menarik je boleh baca. Okay, what else can you see here? Of course, this is a barcode. Okay, barcode ni is where you barcode ni biasanya diletak oleh the publisher lah, sebab kita boleh scan dia punya price. Okay, and then here pun ada juga the name of the publisher. Okay, ada nama publisher dekat sini, HarperCollins. That is a company. Alright. Okay, so before I go on further or before I end this video, there's another part. Okay, this part. Okay, do you know that we also have name for this part? Kita tahu tak, kita pun ada juga nama untuk bahagian ni. Okay, so this part we call it spine. Okay, spine. Okay, spine if you find in the dictionary it means tulang belakang. Okay, so tulang lah. Okay, so spine here it has a function. Ada juga function dia. Okay, so spine, on the spine you can see again the title of the book and then the name of the writer. Okay, so the function of spine, okay, function spine ni when you put the book in the bookshelf, okay, bila awak letak buku ni dekat bookshelf, of course it is easier for you to find this book. Okay, boleh baca dekat sini sahaja. Okay kids, I think that's all for this video. In my next video later, I will teach you on how to do a book report. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye everyone.